Oh wait, I'm dumb. It's not even taped down. Okay, let's just open this box and see what we got. Alright, so who thought an unboxer would be dumb enough to bring a knife to something that wasn't even sealed properly? And guess what? That person is me. So, unboxing of the Mi Pad, or sorry, not Mi Pad, unboxing of the Mi Band 3, and I'm actually pretty excited. So we'll see what we have. So here we have the actual band itself. How do I take this out? So you pop it out this way or this way? So you pop it out this way, and you have the band. You're gonna put that aside. And then this, you have the actual strap itself. Take that out, and then you kind of put this in here. Let's see what else we have inside the box. And here we have a manual that is in Chinese, and yep, it's all in Chinese, so it's going to be pretty useless. However, except for this one right here, which is most likely going to be your app, but I'm pretty sure I know what app that is already, so no problem at all. Now, in here we have the little charging cable, which is just a cradle that you can stick this in, kind of like that. So pretty nifty, but pretty standard also. Let's look at the band itself. All right, so this is the actual computer part of the Mi Band. It's the smart part of the Mi Band. It's plastic, it's light, it feels decent. It doesn't feel super good quality though. There are other ones that I have used that feel better quality than this. It feels actually fairly cheap, but then again, it's the same as the other Mi Bands, which never felt particularly good in the first place. So, you know, there's that to consider. It's small, it's super light, obviously, it's plastic, and you can see that this is the screen right here. This is your little touch area. And finally, you have your charging port right there. And then on the back, you have the Mi logo as well as your heart rate sensor. Now looking at the band, this is the band. It's rubber, it's fluoroelastomer, but I gotta say that I don't like the feel of this rubber as much because you have other types of smartwatches, you know, like the Blaze Thor 4, and this one has nicer elastomer, like fluoroelastomer. It's nice and rubbery. This one over here on the Mi Band is not as soft and velvety. It's a little bit tough and a little bit stiff also. So it'll pass inspection. I mean, most people won't find a problem with it, but if you're one of those guys who likes the really, really soft wristbands that Apple provides, you will not get it in the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. And now this is how you put the little computer part into the wristband. It's pretty easy. You just slot it in this way and it'll stay there nice and snug. You kind of got to stretch it a little bit. There we go. So that is the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, and let's put it on my wrist and see what it looks like. And now this is what it looks like on my wrist. I have a pretty average sized wrist, and this fits pretty well. I will say that I don't like the aesthetic of the Mi Band 3. I think I really prefer round watch faces more than what you find on like a smart fitness band where it's like elongated. I don't like that as much. I like the, you know, the classic look of the smartwatch or the watch itself. But then again, it doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty much the exact same as the Mi Band 1 and the Mi Band 2. So really nothing major there. So yeah. All right, now I'll show you how to set up the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. And the only way to actually turn the Xiaomi Mi Band on is to actually plug it into a USB source. And then you'll see that it turns on and it'll start charging. And I know, and some of you guys might get, you know, a completely empty battery like I did, and some of you might actually get something with something else. But in the meantime, what you got to do is you got to download the Mi Fit app, and I'll show you what that looks like. The Mi Fit app is right here. You got to install it, you got to open it, and you got to sign in. And once you do, and then what you got to do is you got to hit the profile and click on Add Device, and then you're going to click on Select for the band, click OK, and then you're going to wait for it to search and then see what comes up. And then you got to tap the band to pair. And once you pair your band, it's going to ask you to update, and as you can see, I don't have enough battery, so you got to wait for it to get to 10% battery to update. Just click Got It, and then this tells you right here how it works. You know, you slide up and down to switch features, and then click Keep On Going, slide left and right to switch items, tap the band button to go back, long press the band button to confirm, swipe up to unlock, and then you're going to do the right way to wear, which is slightly above your wrist bone here. And yeah, so that's pretty much a quick overview of the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. And hopefully you guys will stick around for my full review that should be coming up as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to hit the little notification bell to make sure you're notified of any of the latest videos that come up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.